Hi, Assalamualaikum Professor, Dr. Architect and Lecturer. My name is Muhammad Nazmi Azraei bin Razlan. I'm student first year, second semester in Architecture at USM. Welcome to my presentation video for the Project 3B semester to 2019-2020. So my cabin is rester, which is the meaning of the name is stay in French language. So the design concept for this cabin is movement. Why I choose movement? Because movement is one of the causes of COVID-19 infection. This means that people should minimize the movement outside the home to prevent the spread of the disease. In this design, I use the fauna, which is the fish, to represent the object movement in this concept. Fish is the one of the living species in the lake. When I see the fish at the lake and I take the picture seems to have double fish because of the movement. So that's why I take movement as my concept. So this is a bubble diagram. As we can see, in the living area be a main area because to many connection with other area. So this is zoning plan, which is living area, workstation and sleeping area. I combine it because if I put the wall spread, maybe the area will be limited and narrow. So the design process, at the first, the form like combination of the bigger and smaller cuboid, and after that I try to slanted the top, and the finishing I try to pull out the roof which is slanted to cover the open deck. So the final design, as we can see at the design at the side of the cabin, we can see the design seems have two fish, whereas the fish just one because of the movement it seems like two fish. So this key plan, which is the Tasik Aman located. Tasik Aman USM located at Glugo in Penang. So this location plans, which is, as we can see, the Tasik Aman is nearest to the Tasik Harapan in USM. So the set synthesis, we can see the wind direction is more to at the northwest, and the noisy is more to the northwest also at Tasik Aman. So I get the best location at the southeast of Tasik Aman because the location is medium vegetation and not too noisy and not too dark at the night. The next is side section. For the side section, height of the tree beside the cabin is 13,000 millimeter, and the diameter is 8,500 millimeter, and the depth of the lake is 13,000 millimeter above. So this is the set plan with scale 1 to 250. This is the floor plan with the total area is 40 meters squared. So this is the side section X to X, which is the height of the front cabin is 4,500 millimeter, and the width is 8,100 millimeter. So this section Y to Y, which is the width of the cabin 6,900 millimeter, and material of the roof of the cabin, I use the polycarbonate roof. So this is the detail of structural joint, which the divide by three part. First part is detail A at the floor of the open deck, which is to combine the pallet wood and wood block. I suggest use nail. And for the detail B, which is at the roof, the L joining bracket used at the corner of the roof. And for the detail C, we use aluminium and rubber to hold the fixed clear glass at the window. So this interior perspective, which is the first interior perspective as a small pantry, and the next interior perspective at the living area. After that is external perspective and the axonometric of the cabin. So that's all of my presentation about the raster, which is the Project 3B isolation cabin. Thank you.